Welcome back. Vice Chairman of the Entertainment Society of Goa, Philip Reddy Rodrigues, said that the ESG is committed to achieve the goal of fulfilling the requirements of the International Film Organization so as to organize such a film festival in the coming years.
The Entertainment Society of Goa is committed to achieve the goal to fulfill the requirements of the International Film Festival Organization. And everybody is aware that Goa has hosted the 4th edition of International Film Festival with a great success, with the support of people of Goa.
Addressing the gathering at a closing ceremony of the 4-day South Asia Film Festival, Mr. Rodrigues appealed to Goan filmmakers to take advantage of this festival.
And I request the filmmakers of Goa who has to take advantage of such a competition. In Goa, we have to struggle to match our standard of filmmaking, film production to such regional quality or the international quality.
Chairman of the South Asia Film Festival Organizing Committee, Jitendra Deshprabhu, announced the construction of a new building to provide state-of-the-art equipment studios for film producers.
Pratap Singh Jirane and myself, we have come up with this new annexi which is going to be built without disturbing the ambience of Kala Academy, very close to Kala Academy. We're just adjoining the Dinanath Mangeshkar Hall, where we are going to have numerous studios, display and performance auditoriums. We are also going to have screening auditoriums and various such facilities which will have editing, sound, lighting and so many other facilities which would really complement the film industry, and our young boys and girls would be trained in those lines, in those areas which can support.
He said that they were trying to create a film culture in Goa which would provide opportunity to Goan youth who are willing to take film-related careers.
We at the Kala Academy has associated with this foundation to set up this or to organize this film festival, not just for bringing in the kind of films for you to see, but we are trying to bring that kind of film culture which our young children, your own children, your brethren, who would perhaps want to utilize their expertise and prowess in filmmaking.
Mr. Deshprabhu also assured to provide broadband connectivity to all filmmakers shooting their films in Goa.
But we feel that Goa itself is a film city, and from within the nook and corner of the state, if a director or a producer would like to use the expertise of your and our boys and girls who would be trained and experts in animations and visual effects and layering and what have you, this facility would be offered from wherever they are shooting in the state, be it from Kankona to Perne or from Panaji to Chola Ghats.
The first 35mm Dolby Marathi film in Goa, Mare Paryant Fashi, has been produced by Sharwani Productions, which premiered in the South Asian Film Festival at Kala Academy. This was Dr. Pramod Salgaonkar's debut film as a film producer. Speaking to Goa 365, she said that this film brings forward a debate on capital punishment all over the world.
And we want to put forth the debate and both the aspects of the issue of capital punishment, which is being debated all over the world. Most of the countries, capital punishment has been abolished. And in India, we still have the capital punishment, and we have got 2 cases pending before us. This film is about the capital punishment, death penalty given a terrorist is sentenced.
She mentioned that the cost of the film is around 45 lakhs and the marketing of the film would be done after feedback from the audience.
So altogether 15 days shooting, and then we took a little longer time on the post-production. We did it at the Quality Labs. This is a Dolby film. We had budgeted about 45 lakhs, but I think it has gone beyond that. And then we are of course going to will be showing this film, showcasing the film at the film festivals, and then we intend releasing it at the different theatres in Maharashtra first. I also intend to get it dubbed in other languages.
कितीही जोराने खेचला तरी हाताला अजिबात नाही खरचटणार.
पाहिलंस, फाशी जाण्यापूर्वी आमच्या कैद्याला जरा सुद्धा शारीरिक इजा होऊ नये याची आम्ही किती काळजी घेतो.
And awarded sentence to be hanged unto death.
जॉन मला फाशी द्यायची ऑर्डर देऊ शकेल?
हा, आता ते कठीण आहे, पण नाईलाज झाला तर कदाचित देतील, पण तुमच्या नजरेला नजर नाही मिळू शकणार.
In exercise of my bounded duty under law, I, John Ribeiro, jail superintendent and custodian of Central Prison, Aguada, Goa,
माझ्याकडे बघ ना, माझ्याकडे बघ.
will be executing the Honorable Supreme Court's order
माझ्याशी नजर मिळवताना हिम्मत का होत नाही तुझी?
awarding sentence to hang and put death to Mr. Chunnu Kumar,
मी चुन्नू कुमार दिसतो तुला?
alias Chota Razak,
मी छोटा रजाक नाहीये, आदित्य देव आहे.
alias Bada Khatra,
मी बडा खतरा नाही, बडा लेखक आहे. माझ्याकडे बघ ना, बघत का नाहीयेस? बघ माझ्याकडे, बघ.
अरे बघतोय ना, बघतोय ना.
That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here's a reminder of the headlines. Increase in export duty will slow down Goa's economy, says Goa Mineral Oil Exporters Association President. Kolva Civic and Consumer Forum protest against mega projects at Kolva. BJP to convince Muslim community to join party, says Goa in charge of Minority Morcha. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, goodbye and good night.